In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image into Excel. So the first thing you want to do, once you're inside Excel, you want to go up here to this Insert tab, okay? So the second tab from the left, well, the third one. And then you want to click on Pictures over here, okay? You want to click Pictures, and then over here it says Place over Cells, okay? And this is how you do it. So you want to click this, so it extends, as you can see, and then you have three options. You can either insert it from this device, find stock images, or find online pictures, okay? Now, if you do from this device, if you click it like this, it will open up your computer files, and you can choose the image you would like to put in there. So that's the first option, and once you found it, simply click Insert, and that's it. Now, the second option, as we saw over here, are stock images. If you press this, Excel will start loading up some stock images. You can choose and insert. Let's say I want this staircase over here. You simply click on the image, or you can select more if you want to, and then press Insert. And as you can see, the image has now been inserted, and I can freely move it around as much as I want to. I can also customize it and change its format up here. As you can see, like this. It doesn't matter. You can do pretty much anything you want with it. And then the third option, as I showed you, is the online pictures, okay? This is very similar to stock pictures, okay? Just a bit different. So as you can see, it's powered by the Bing browser. You can simply, let's say, look for apples and then press it, exact same thing as earlier, press Insert, and it's going to download and insert the picture. So it's the exact same procedure, and you can do whatever you want with it. And that's how you insert an image into Excel.